welcome again to another video and welcome to my channel. So if you're new here to this channel, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing this content. So we want to reach 1000 subscribers. Please help us by subscribing to our channel, liking and sharing our content. So on this video, I'm going to show you a simple way how you can customize this Django administration. So as you can see that our Django administration here is kind of like, of course it's good, but you may like to add some customization and for a certain way that you want to look good and somehow professional compared to other Django administration. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that, and we are going to do that by using a simple Django package, and this package is called Django Jasmine. So if you go to Django Jasmine, you can see that, let's go to home here, you can see some screenshots here, some features of this package. As you can see, drop-in admin skin, and if you like to go to the demonstration, you can see the demo here by using the test and test test.com, and the password should be test. As you can see, it has some beautiful dashboard. So after successful installing this, we're going to have this beautiful dashboard here, and then you can see how you can customize. Also, this is list view. There are so many ways how you can customize your Django administration. So we are going to look at this. As you can see, the login view here is so good compared to the default one which we used to see to the Django administrator. There are so many you can do with this Django Jasmine, but for now we just need to go ahead and install it and see how we can just try to mess up with some settings and how we can do to just look to make our Django administration this here to look somehow different. So let's go to installation here and let us see how we can install this. The installation is simple. You just write pip install Django Jasmine, and after installing it we need to add it to our installed apps. So make sure that this should be up now. Let us just copy this here. Okay, good, copy it, and let us go to our terminal. So I already have a project. I'm just going to demonstrate using this project. So my project is here inside my Django folder. So, and I'm also inside the virtual environment, which is VNV. So it's just simple. If you don't know how to create a Django project, please, I will ask you to go to my other videos on this channel. So I have a video teaching Django from scratch, how to create a car dealership website. You can go there and check that video. I have all the instruction how to create your first project, your first application to the end. So go and check that video. I also have other videos on how to create Django project. Please go there and check them. Then if you are comfortable here, so we are just going to, I have the virtual environment, I have my project ready, so I'm just going to install this package. So just copy it here. So it is pip install -u Django Jasmine. So I'm going to press enter. So it's going to take some time to install, but it is installing slowly, as you can see. Yeah, now it is downloading. So this depends on your internet speed. So my internet is a bit slow, that's why it's downloading slow, but let us wait it and it will finish just in a couple of seconds. Okay, good. Now Django Jasmine has been installed. As you can see here, it is successful installed. Now let's go to our settings and make some few modifications, so that, as you remember from our instruction here, that we need to add this Jasmine on the top of the installed apps. Okay, just need to copy it here, and then let's go to our setting, installed apps, and here we are going to add it. Okay, so just paste it here and let us save this. So after saving, let us try to run our server. Okay, so our server is running successful. Now let us try to refresh our Django site here and see if there are changes to our admin. Wow, good. As you can see, now we have some changes to our administration dashboard. As you can see, now the dashboard looks good, looks somehow clean and somehow different. So it's very difficult for someone to notice that this is the Django administration page. As you can see, things have been arranged in a good way. As you can see, we have users here, we have groups here, and we have, this is our table. I created a table called listings, so to add some car listings. As you can see here, my recent actions I've done. Also, you can see there is a sidebar here, so also very beautiful. Let's try to add here. As you can see, the feeds are also good. Yes, so this is Django Jasmine, and you can see it's very good. So you can save here, save and add another. So it's quite good and so amazing. So let's go back to our settings. Let's go to configurations and see what else we can do with this. As you can see here, you can say that, so configuration, to configure general behavior of Jasmine, you just have to use Jasmine settings within your Django settings. So maybe we can try to change the title of our dashboard. Instead of having maybe Django administration, we can have something else. So we need to make some changes to our settings like here. So I just need to copy just these three, and these ones here. Okay, I'll just copy this, and let's go to our settings file, and let us maybe below here and see if it is correct. Okay, now we just need to close it here. Okay, now it's closed. Now let us save this. Okay, let us try to refresh again MC to see if we have some changes. Okay, if we refresh it here, okay, we have library here. We are getting this library here because we kept it to be the title of the login screen should be library. The default current site title, if absent, none, should be library admin. So site header should be library and site brand should be library. So let us try to change here and see if we can have the changes. Let's say car dealer admin, maybe just say dashboard. Let's save this. After saving this, let us refresh it here. Oh, do we still have a library here? Of course, this library is just below here. Of course, I'm going to show you, this should be on the login page, and this here, I just need to call it dashboard. Okay, Save this. Good. Now let us refresh it here. Yeah, of course we have dashboard here. Now you can just try to mess up with everything as you want. Let me try to log out and see what we have. Okay, now what I was saying is this one here, car dealer dashboard. So you have this good message here, and then you have this login again. Now if you log in again, you have this welcome, and you have this beautiful page to log in. You see, now here you may decide also to have some changes. Instead of library admin, you may just say maybe it is car admin. So if you refresh here, you can see that we have the car admin here. So this is the site title. As you can see, the site title now, it is called car admin. Okay, of course you have a lot of things. You can just come here and see the documentation, what you can do with this one here. This is far as I can go, but as you can see, there are a lot of things you can do here. You can change maybe the welcome sign here. I don't know, this is the image. Whatever you can do, you may decide to do it the way you want. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So this is just a simple way to show you how you can customize your Django administration by using this Django package called Jasmine. There are a lot of things you can do. I have not covered all of them, just a few of them. What I want to show you just is to go through the documentation and see what you can do with this package. So hope to see you again on another video, and again don't forget to subscribe, like and share this content. We want to reach 1000 subscribers. Please help us by subscribing to our channel. So hope to see you on another video, and bye bye.